Hey everybody, welcome back to 3D Cool Hacks. So it looks like Bambu Handy just updated their app, and it looks like they did some really nice visual changes on it. So first of all, it looks like they just came out with it about a week ago. It's version 3.22.0. Nice quality of life where it comes to using this app right now. We do have remote printing controls, and we do have automatic diagnosis and attractive reward system, it says. What I was the most interested in was everything else in this. So right here, you'll see the start page where I'll actually show you the nozzle temperature, and you can change it, and the heat bed temperature, you can change that also. It looks a little bit better where it comes to the live view also. So right now, it looks a little more crisp, as you can see. Just really nice where it comes to that. And then you have device controls. We do have the standard device controls on here right now, but you can go into more and you can go through and change everything I just showed you to the point of the nozzle temperature, the heat bed, the standard speed, the light being on. I mean, dude, they put a lot of different options in here. X, Y, and Z axis. You can change that when it's not printing. But yeah, they did a really nice quality of life improvement. And the one thing I think I liked the best was had to add a filament. So you do have multiple options about adding a filament. You can scan and add, or you can do it fetch with AMS or add manually. So I've been using a lot of this stuff where it comes to where I've been using Hobby Lobby quite a bit. So I could put Hobby Lobby yellow filament. And you can actually save it. So I'll go to generic, PLA, save. Oh, you can do your net weight too. So I have yellow. So if it's a brand new roll, you just throw 1,000 in there, save, and 1. So now when you go through to actually change everything up, you can choose that. And it's just a very nice quality of life. And the next thing I wanted to show you where it came down to the other things that made this a little bit more manageable too. So you go on to me right here, and this is pretty nice that I like. You can go to printer queue. I have nothing there. And now you have your printer history that you've done. So that's really nice. Before you had to kind of get back and forth where it came to that memory card. Then you have your browsing history. This is what I love. So a lot of times you went to go back into the Handy app and it would not remember your browser history, or you had to jump around. Now everything I've browsed, it's popped back up. You have the support filament library. So right now, if you notice where I put that generic Hobby Lobby yellow filament, it is actually in my filament library. And you can add more filament, period, and start selecting it. But right now, this is actually a great user experience that I found out. And I'm just very impressed where it came to how they updated this app. But I would suggest to download it, try it out. I think you'll be really surprised where it comes to the quality of this app. But everybody, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.